Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, in this video we are going to discuss some important questions for first year physics. So day after tomorrow Sunday we have the exam first year physics. First of all, we will have a look at LAQs, long answer type questions. So these three questions are from work, energy and power. Please have a look at these three questions, 8 mark questions, LAQs. Okay, then next chapter, system of particles and rotational motion. Only one question is given here. Then we have three questions from oscillations. Okay, three questions from the chapter oscillations. Then we have one question from thermal properties of matter. So look at the question. It is followed by a small sum also. Okay, now one more question from mechanical properties of fluids. Okay, state Bernoulli's principle, mechanical properties of fluids, right? Next chapter is motion in a straight line, short answer type questions. Now we will move to short answer type questions, SAQs. Motion in a straight line, three questions are there. Okay, three questions are there. Next, problems are given from this chapter. Three sums are given. Please have a look at these problems. You can pause the video also. You can take the screenshot also. Okay, these are very important, right? Now next is motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. State parallelogram law of vectors. Derive an expression for the magnitude and direction of the resultant vector. Show that a boat must move at an angle with respect to river water in order to cross the river in minimum time. Define unit vector, null vector and position vector. Okay, please look at the questions. Okay, motion in a plane over. Now turn over the page. Next one is one more question we have here, 13th one from this chapter only, motion in a plane. Now laws of motion, three questions are given from laws of motion. Explain advantage and disadvantages of friction. Mention the methods used to decrease friction. Why is pulling the lawn roller preferred to pushing it? Laws of motion. Then system of particles and rotational motion. Four questions are given. System of particles and rotational motion. Okay. Next, mechanical properties of solids. Two questions are given here from this chapter. Next, mechanical properties of fluids. One question is given. Explain surface tension and surface energy. Next chapter, thermal properties of matter. Five questions are given. Thermal properties of matter from this chapter. Very important. Next one is thermodynamics. Thermodynamics, another important chapter. State and explain the first law of thermodynamics. So next question is, here we are now. Obtain an expression for the work done by an ideal gas during isothermal change. Obtain an expression for the work done by an ideal gas during adiabatic change. Compare isothermal process and adiabatic process. Next, gravitation. Four questions are given from gravitation. Next, we have kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases. Six questions are given here. Okay, six questions are there. Two sums are also there from kinetic theory of gases. Now finally we have VSAQs, very short answer type questions, 2 marks, 2 mark questions. So 5 questions from physical world. Okay, what is physics? What is physics? What is the discovery of C.V. Raman? Okay, like that. Units and measurements. Next, continuation from here. From here, we can continue. How can systematic errors be minimized or eliminated? So these are from all these are VSAQs, physical world. Okay. Next, motion in a straight line. Motion in a straight line. VSAQs. Motion in a plane. Motion in a plane. Okay. Next we have laws of motion. Laws of motion. Continuation from here. From laws of motion VSAQs. Next VSAQs from work, energy and power. Work, energy and power. Define work, power and energy. State their SI units. Which physical unit quantity remains constant in an elastic collision? In an inelastic collision. 3 questions are there. Now we have VSAQs from system of particles and rotational motion. So one question from oscillations. Can a simple pendulum be used in an artificial satellite? Next, mechanical properties of solids. Many questions are given from mechanical properties of solids. Okay. From the chapter mechanical properties of solids. Okay. Please make a note of these questions, students. Turn over the page. Continuation. From the chapter mechanical properties of fluids. So many questions are given. From the next chapter, thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties of matter. So many questions are given from this chapter also. VSAQs, right? Next, thermodynamics. Thermodynamics. Next, we have these questions are also from thermodynamics. Gravitations. Gravitations. Kinetic theory of gases. Kinetic theory of gases from this chapter. Define mean free path. VSAQs. VSAQs. Sums are given. Some important sums are given. Problems are given. Please make a note of these 3 easy